Ndifumene imibuzo malunga ne-body posture xa ndisenza i-newsreading. Ingaba yinxalenye yescript okanye kunyanzelekile? Ababukeli bafuna ukwazi ingaba kutheni na ndisimo olu hlobo.
Mamelodi Sundowns ifikile kwisigaba se-semi-finals endebe ye-CAF Champions League. Hayi bo, baluseni message ngoku.
Mandiyicacise ngethemba lokuba ngabanina niza kwaneliseka.
I feel like funeka ndiyi-address le nto ye-assistance because ikho le explanation yayo. And the explanation here is simple. Guys, I have to add some formality to it and also show some respect towards it. So the thing is, I can't have my hands like this or have my hands behind my back. So I felt like the best way for me to do this is to have my hands in front of me and position them in a way that will seem respectful, appealing to a news audience at the same time. So that's the reason why when you see me having my hands like this, and I'm not trying to flex any muscles. Yeah, I know I'm that guy, but I'll try to use some sort of paper so that I can have something in front of me. So I'm reading from something.